just woke up. Actually, I lied. I've been awake for a few hours. It's Sunday morning. It is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of your fathers out there, if there are even any men that watch this, or if you're a single mother and there's no daddy and you play both roles. I just weighed in. I'm super excited because I weigh 237.6. That is a new low for me. So, yay! I'm so happy. The intermittent fasting is working really well for me, and I think that the higher protein is working really well for me too. So, I have about $5 left on my Starbucks gift card. So, I'm gonna go use it and get myself a treat. It is 10. Oh no, it is 11. So by the time I get to Starbucks, that's what I will be breaking my fast with. Come home and then probably eat some eggs or something. I don't know. It's still rainy out. I think it's actually still raining, maybe sprinkling. We've got a lot of rain the last couple of days. My strawberries are growing. I can't wait until they turn ripe and I can eat one. Link wants to go to Starbucks, so we're going. Hey guys. So I wasn't going to wear any makeup today. I was like, you know what? No, it's Sunday. I'm depressed. I'm going to go get Starbucks. And then I was like, you know what? No, it's Sunday. I'm depressed. Feel good about yourself, right? I used some new makeup. Not new. Like, I used the butter bronzer. I bought it a long time ago, but, like, I was so pale, and it looked like orange on me. And plus, I wasn't the best at it. Now I'm better at it. Now I don't think it looks so bad, and I love the way it smells. And then I used a darker eyeshadow color. Yes, you like to smell my lips. Okay. I used a darker eyeshadow color today. I've never used. It's like just like a brown, but then I put a shimmer over top of it. And so then I was like, you know what? Lipstick would look good with that. Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star. So I use that. Usually I like to use this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I don't even know the color that this is. What is this? Eternite? I don't know. No, I think that's in a different language. I don't know what the color is. It doesn't even have a number. Anyways, yeah, I really like that color because you can kind of layer it and it kind of will be lighter or darker. But I think that the Celebrity Skin goes well with this eyeshadow. You're like, I don't care. Car cut me off because it turned on Android Auto. I was saying, I don't care, KETOMOMMA. We don't care about your lipsticks. I didn't even brush my hair. And I'm like, Linky, let's go to Starbucks. We have $4 and some odd cents, like almost $5 left on your card. And we're going to get a pup cup and I'm going to try a blended base or something. I don't know. I'll show you and tell you about it after I order it. I took a screenshot off of Instagram. It looked delicious and I'm in the mood. So it is 11:26. This is the time that I've been going and breaking my fast, sticking to the routine of eating lunch at work. I think I said it already in a clip when I first woke up, but like I weigh 237.6 today. So holla at your girl, because that's a new low. Yesterday, my eyebrows were a little wild and crazy. They were kind of dark. I realized that. My boyfriend almost sent me a meme. I said, don't you dare, because these are my natural eyebrows. All I did was fill them in. And so then he didn't. But, yeah. Today, I didn't go as hard. I went lighter. But, yeah, guys. I'm so bored. I am so bored. Any other time I'm like, oh my god, why don't you just guys go play outside? No, I'm bored. There's nobody running in my room asking if if they can have something because they're hungry. There's nobody running in saying they're bored. Can we go for a walk? There's nobody to... I hate it. But what can you do? Except for be excited that I'm at a new low. 237.6. I'm so excited. And I kind of really dig this eyeshadow today. It looks really nice, I think. What do you guys think? Maybe I should brush my hair when I get home. Or maybe it'll just be a don't brush your hair Sunday. Alright, I will be back after Starbucks. Alright guys, I'm back. That line was really long. This is what I got. It is a venti cold brew with 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dulce with heavy cream, double blended, no base, add whip, and with cinnamon and nutmeg powder sprinkled on top. Now, it was something I seen on Instagram and I wanted to try it. It literally does not taste like it has any of that sugar-free stuff in it. So, A, what was the point of me getting it? And B, I mean, it's good. I'll drink it, but I was in the mood for like a sweet drink. So when I get home, I'm going to put some stevia in it. My usual go-to, if you're new to my channel, is a Trenta iced coffee with 4 packets of stevia and heavy cream. That's usually my go-to. I know the sugar-free syrups are not the best. They have maltodextrin in them, but sometimes you want to treat yourself, and I wanted to treat myself today, and I'm disappointed in this, actually. But whatever is what it is. I'm gonna stop drinking it so I can add the stevia and then actually enjoy it. Link got his pup cup, so he's super happy. It's completely empty now. You're cool, dude. Link thinks he's cool too. So I'm gonna go home and probably, I think all my bacon is frozen, so that stinks. So maybe I'll have some sausage. That sausage I have has a lot of fat in it though. Actually, I know what I want to do. I have to drop Link off though. So I'm going to be doing a couple collabs coming up. I have one coming up with Keto Diamond. And so I have to pick up the stuff for that. It's not much. I have most of the stuff I need for that. And then I have a collab coming up with Chef Wannabe's Life. So that is going to be super fun. And she just sent me the recipe for what I'm going to be making. So I need to pick up that stuff, which it's not a lot of stuff. I have most of the things that, I have most of the things that are required anyways. But I hate bringing Link to a place where I have to leave him in the car. I don't see the point in leaving your animal in the car, even though today it is freezing. It is only 59 degrees here in Michigan. Yesterday it was a high of 65. It's been a very cold weekend. I don't want to bring him just so he sits in a car by himself. I don't know. It's just a me thing, I guess. If you do it, I don't care. It's not that I look down on you. It's not something I like to do. So, and I think for dinner, I wanted to make something I kind of seen a little bit on Instagram. Sort of. Like an idea for something. And I really want to make that. But I want to change things. But I can't make that this week because I don't have that. Those ingredients are going to be too much. I won't have what I need. So I can't do that. So I guess I'll see you after I go to the grocery store. I'm sorry, guys. This is going to be a very boring vlog. Just my foods and my day, I guess. I don't know. I'm new to this whole just vlogging what I'm doing. But you guys seem to like it. So I guess I'm going to keep at it. Right, Linky? It's like, yeah, whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys maybe in the store. Okay, guys, so since this was a shitty coffee, I'm going to be, I like drank most of it, and now the The like frozen part is starting to melt. So I haven't been taking this, so I'm gonna put this in there, my collagen. I'm gonna put a little bit of this bad boy in there. Oh, no, I'm not. I mean, I am, but I just figured out something else I want to put in there. So I had gotten a pretty nice discount. I talked about it last weekend. That lighting is bad. I talked about it last weekend from Sweet Life. They're a new company. They sell these little flavor concentrates, and I talked about it on my last weekend vlog, but they gave me a pretty big discount and I purchased 3 of them. So I purchased mixed rainbow candy. I put this in my yogurt the other day. Whew, that was really good. I purchased banana caramel, which I can't wait to put in my Banana Foster's Bones coffee. And I purchased strawberry. Now, I don't think strawberry sounds good in my coffee, but the banana, I think I'm going to put a little bit of this banana into the rest of my coffee with some collagen and some of the sweet drops. Yes. And we're going to see how that tastes. So I'll be right back. Holy cow. Yes, that is so good in this. So I mixed it up. It's all mixed together really well. That's good. That is so good. That stuff is amazing. I just put 5 tiny little drops. 5 itty bitty little drops. It's very strong and very good. I think I paid $12 altogether for all 3 of those with the discount code. I will try to remember to link them down in the description. They are, I found them on Instagram. They are Sweet Life Flavor Company. They have all kinds of flavors. They even have a sweet cornbread. So if you want to make like a keto cornbread and then use that, oh god, they got like, I think they just came out with like a toffee one, and they had strawberry cheesecake. Oh my god, go check them out. Alright guys, it is 3 o'clock and I've not eaten yet for the day. My eating window is 11:30 until to 7 p.m. and all I had so far was that coffee from Starbucks at 11:30 or at noon. So I don't know. I was gonna make some chicken wings and stuff, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. I'm gonna spend some time with my boyfriend. We're gonna play some video games since I can't go there, and then maybe I'll only have 1 meal today. That's what it's looking like. Not too hungry. So, see you soon. I made some pickles for an upcoming video. We Chef Wannabe. You'll see. You'll see. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out. I'm just gonna eat dinner. I'm not even really that hungry. It's like 5:46. I'm gonna try to eat this. I'll show you. So, got some Faye yogurt, some chicken wings, fried pickles, celery, and some ranch with some Frank's Red Hot sauce, and some Sweet Breeze, or Southern Breeze tea. That's it.